today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can basically fix Android Studio when the emulator is having an issue. So shortly I'm basically going to be showing you guys on how we can just fix this stuff straight. So okay, so the first thing first, I'm going to open my Android Studio. I'm actually going to open my Android Studio. So if you let's say on looking at it now, you can actually see my Android Studio here on the screen. So you can see my Android Studio here on the screen. So the next thing now, I would like to, let's say, create a new device. So let me use this small phone. So okay, let me just use this API 35. So let me just say Android Emulator. Emulator. Okay, so basically you can leave the default settings. So alright, so I'm creating a visual device now. So I've let me show you the device. Let me show you the device. So I'm coming. I'll be showing the device shortly. So let me okay, as you can see now, a moment, let me bring the device that was just created. Let me bring it in. So Android, so device Android, which is device manager. Okay, so let me try to share this screen. Yeah, okay, so now if you look at it, let me make this thing proper so you can see it clearly. Okay, now if you look at my left hand side, you can see the device I've created before, and you can see the device we just created, Android Emulator. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this Android Emulator. So let's start it. So I'm actually starting the Android Emulator. You can see it loading. See it loading. I'm going to let me bring the emulator in. Okay, let me bring the emulator in. Yeah. So I'm bringing the emulator in, but it's showing blank. Actually, the emulator is showing blank. So since the emulator is showing blank, basically that means the emulator, what is it called, like I'm unable to make use of it. In other words, it refused to start. All right, it refused to start. So then let's say I will be able to fix this. All right, let's say I will be able to fix this. So for you to be able to fix this thing, all you just have to do, okay, let me just create a, yes, I made this. So for us to fix it, you can see I'm actually sharing my file right now. So I'll go to this PC, local disk, you go to users, you go to users, go to your, what is it called, the name, that is the present user. You go to Android, you go to AVD, then you look for the emulator name. This was the emulator name, emulator underscore Android emulator .avd. So open it, then look for the config file. This is my configuration file. Open it with any text editor. So I'm going to be opening it with okay, let me open it with Notepad. So I'm basically going to open it with Notepad. So opening with Notepad, you are going to look for two things. One is the what is it called, the hardware GPU enabled. You can turn it to no. Then the GPU mode, you turn it off. All right, you turn it off. It's either you turn it off, or or you basically change it to host. All right, then you save. Okay, you save. So so I'm coming. Let me select it so I can show you guys. So okay, yes, you can actually see it's selected. All right, that is the stuff you are actually going to do. So ordinarily the stuff that we've done, it was, here was yes, we turn it to no. Here was auto, we turn it off. All right, I've turned it off now. So since I've turned it off, let's go back to our emulator. Okay, so let's go back to our emulator and try to start it up again. Let's start it up again.